Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I have an awesome product to review. The Homvana Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier. It comes in a big box, and inside we have the humidifier itself, user manual, quick start guide, the cleaning brush, remote control, one anti-scale pad, and 2 aroma pad. First, let's talk about the features. This humidifier comes with 6.5 liters of water tank and 360-degree dual rotating nozzles. The tank is removable. It has a pretty large opening so you can easily fill it with water, or you can take it right to the sink and fill it up. A nice digital display can be found on its front, and buttons on its sides contain a lot of useful features such as child lock, automatic mode, and timer. It also works as a diffuser. It has this aroma box here at the bottom, which is a basic diffuser where you can put your essential oils or fragrance oil and diffuse it into the air. This humidifier also has this remote control. You can control all the features from this one remote control. Compared to other humidifiers, this humidifier produces a lot of mist, and that mist is also warm and cool. I like the fact that this humidifier produces both cool and warm mist. It is possible to run the humidifier 72 hours on a full tank of water. It uses ultrasonic technology to reduce noise. Overall, this humidifier is quiet, it has a pretty large coverage, it produces a lot of mist, and it's easy to set up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.